Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Cut the chicken into bite-sized chunks. Season with salt and pepper. Preheat the oven to 325 F. Put the cornstarch in a shallow bowl. Put the eggs in a separate bowl. In a bowl, combine the sugar, ketchup, cider vinegar, soy sauce and garlic powder. Bake the chicken for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. The 28th of April 2019.
Take our lead.
Both dishes are quite similar, the difference is all in the sauce. Both dishes involve chicken that is breaded and fried then coated in a sauce. Orange chicken usually has a lighter color and it's sweet, sour and savory, whereas General Tso's chicken is usually spicier. 7 April 2019.
Take our lead.
We love this served over steamed brown rice or cauliflower rice. You could also stir in some cooked noodles, such as spaghetti or rice noodles, and maybe some extra sauce or pasta water to bring it all together. 9 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Could I use flour instead of cornstarch? Yes, but you may need more flour than what the recipe calls for in cornstarch. The cornstarch is just used to thicken the sauce. Flour will also thicken the sauce, just not as well.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're not a fan of pineapple or happen to have none around, you can substitute 1/8 cup lemon juice and 1/8 cup orange juice. I actually prefer using the lemon-orange mixture for the sauce, but I love the pineapple chunks in the dish. Rice, 1 cup rice. I like jasmine.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.